Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a Excel tutorial again. And we're just going to be doing how to use or how to learn formulas. Now we're not going to go too much in depth. It's going to be very simple stuff like addition, subtraction, multiplying, division. Essentially we're just going to go on the basics pretty much. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. Okay, in here, first, you obviously open your Excel page, and we're just going to be learning the basics. Now, how to use formula or how to activate a formula. First, pick a cell, double click it, and make sure to always remember to use equal first, essentially. And this will open up to essentially everything that you need. Pretty much how to use what's the name? The formula equation thing. So just gonna set an example. First, we're gonna press escape. We're just gonna add just a few numbers here. Say 5 and 7. Then over here, we're gonna press this, obviously, and we're gonna click these two. Now, how to add, or the symbol that you need using how to subtract, to add, to pretty much you just press the plus sign on your keyboard, then you press this and pretty much just press enter, and there we go, 12. Okay, and that's pretty much goes the same. It's pretty much the same for the rest. Let's say if we change this up to the minus, subtract that. For multiplication, you use the star on the 8. And I'm pretty sure on division, I think we use the 2 right here. Never mind, that's a wrong one. Pretty sure it's is it this one? Is it this one? No, it's not. Okay, hold on, let me figure. Okay, so, and how to do division, I just figured out. It's essentially this, the slash on your keyboard, and you press enter, and there we go. Now, there are other options. Obviously, there's a lot of formulas, and I won't be going in depth on that. But just to help you out, to get you started, pretty much there is this option on the very top right, and it's called the auto sum. And here we can do average, count numbers, max, minimum. Just to explain some of these, sum is pretty much, it's very self-explanatory. It's a sum of the total sum of the, let's say the formula or the equation that you put in, and you just press this sum, and it will tell you the sum of that. Again, if we do the average of 5 and 7, it will be 12. And I'm pretty sure if we do the max of this, it would be 7, or maximum, essentially find the highest number in a list or a board, and with minimum, it's pretty much finding the least, which is 5. And that's pretty much it. Again, I won't go too much in depth. I just want to show you guys how to essentially activate the formula is by essentially just pressing this and then type in such as sum and all the rest. Again, this is the very basic. I'm pretty sure most of you are just going to be using subtraction, addition, division, multiplication, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. I know it's quite short. I've been doing really short stuff because I don't really, it's a lot more easier. And but yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.